In this video, I will show you how you can change the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you can install any keyboard which you want to set as the default keyboard. Now for this video, I will install Google's Gboard, but you can install any other keyboard. Now once the keyboard is fully downloaded, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Over here, just tap on Keyboard. Then over here, just enable the toggle for the keyboard which you have installed. In our case, it is Gboard, so I'll enable the toggle for Gboard. After you enable Gboard, then just tap on Default Keyboard. And on this pop-up menu, just select the keyboard which you have installed. In our case, it is Gboard. After you do that, now if you go to your home screen and if you try to open a keyboard, you will notice that you have successfully changed the keyboard on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.